Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn about Hlookup function, so let's get started. So Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup. It is used to search for a value in the top row of a table or range and returns a value in the same column from a row you specify. Hlookup is particularly useful when dealing with data formatted in rows rather than columns. And the syntax for that is Hlookup of lookup value, table array, row index number, range lookup. Here lookup value is the value to be searched for. Table array is the range of cells that contains the data. You can include multiple rows but only one column. And row index number is the row number in the table array to retrieve a value. And whereas range index is a logical value that specifies whether to find an exact match, that is false, or an approximate match, which is true. If omitted, the default value is true. I'm considering this simple data in which we have product name row, which has computer, television, printer, keyboard, speakers. And if you look at this first column, it has in stock, sold, price per item, and to that respective values we have. Now let's perform Hlookup function. Let's look up the value television from third row. To do that, let's type is equals to Hlookup of C1, comma. This is lookup value, that is television here. A1 is to F4. This is your table array. Then 3, which is a row index number, and false, which is your range lookup. And now if we enter, it displays 5. You can check if you want. As you can see here in television and in third row, the value is 5, which is the result the Excel has returned. So this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.